This is the last thing I want to say before I die tomorrow. They told us, go to school. Education is the key, they said. We sat in classes with no windows. We studied in torn uniform on empty stomachs. We believed them. Our parents believed them too. They gave everything. Sold cows, missed meals, broke their back just to see us wear that gown. And years later, here I am, graduated, jobless, hopeless. Turns out, the key only opens doors if your father knows someone. If your uncle is a big man, if your name already matters. And those of us without names, we stay outside, knocking, forgotten. Then they say, start a business. But even small dreams are not safe here. Kanjos will come, or even the goons they send. They won't just destroy your stall, they will scatter your future like trash. So, if I die tomorrow, maybe my parents will be given 2 million. Maybe that is more than I could ever give them alive. So, shoot me close range. Don't leave me like others, breathing but broken. Because in this country, we were told to dream, but never warned this would kill us. This country is not safe. Not for people like us.
As a leader, as a parent, as a person who knows the value of children, tell me, what comes in your mind when you see our youths, young girls, young boys wakiongea maneno ya kukatisha tamaa kama haya? Just tell me. Wewe askari unashuti mtoto wa mtu, na una watoto wako pia. Tuseme labda hauna, lakini una mpango huo wa kuwa na watoto. Answer me this. Unaposikia maneno kama haya kutoka kwa mtoto wa mwenzio, what comes in your mind? And you think, how will we convince even the coming generation that education is the key? Ambapo unaweza tu kupata kazi iwapo babako anajuana na watu fulani, mjomba wako ni mkubwa wa pahali fulani. Anyway, toa maoni yako. What comes in your mind when you come across this kind of videos? Watoto wanalia na wamekata tamaa. You see, like this girl is saying that this is her last words before she dies tomorrow. What does it mean? This is a girl with a lot of papers. I may struggle, but she has no hope in future. And that is the reason as to why. Yani ameamua liwe na liwe. Tell me, as a leader, as a parent. Tutafanyaje